It's Party Marty Mitchell on Country 107.3 WRWD, and time for another edition of Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Hello, Dennis.
Hey, Marty. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
So did you hear that recent headline? I guess a Michigan judge ordered 3 kids to be placed in a juvenile detention center for refusing to visit with their father.
How is that possible? No.
I mean, look. Judges, when they issue orders, if you don't follow the orders, they can hold you in contempt, and at least in theory, kids, they can put you in a juvenile detention center, or adults, they can actually put you in jail. According to what I understand happened, they were directed to have lunch with their father. Judge said, go have lunch with your father. We're going to come back to court at 1:30. When they refused and did not follow the court's order, 1:30 they came back. The judge put them in a juvenile detention center.
Now, what if there were personal reasons why, and the kids just didn't mention why? Maybe they were afraid, or maybe there was another reason.
Well, look, I wasn't in the courtroom, and I haven't read the transcript, so I don't know for certain what was said. But according to what I read, one of the kids said the reason why they won't talk with their father was because they saw their father hit their mother. Now, that's definitely a legitimate reason why a kid wouldn't want to visit with their father.
Sure.
But I got to say, in these cases, I've had a lot of these cases where the other parent simply does everything they can to alienate the child away from their father. And then, child walks into court and says, I don't want to see dad. And the judge says, okay, you don't want to see your dad? Fine, don't see your dad. So, this is a tough issue. Part of me says if the other parent is alienating the child against the father, or the mother for that matter, you got to have 2 parents involved in these cases. I think it's so important. All things being equal. Obviously, if you're beating up your spouse in the presence of the kids, or you're abusing the kids in any way, shape, or form, absolutely, then you can't really force visits in those sorts of circumstances. It's just not appropriate.
For more on this and other topics, how can they contact you?
drvetranolaw.com. That's drvetranolaw.com.